Hi guys, I'm in studio of my friend. He is journalist. So let's ask a question about a South Asian country, Pakistan. Let's see he knows about Pakistan. Hi,
How you doing? My name is Paul Mantia.
you know about South Asian country, Pakistan?
Yes, I do.
Okay, let's see. You know Imran Khan?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Wow.
And I don't think that he should be in prison because you know what? You take people out of office that were elected and put in prison. They do the same thing in America. Look what's going on here. So it's going on there as well. You're putting innocent people in prison because you don't want them involved. You don't want the people to know the truth about what's going on in this world. It needs to stop. We all need to unite, all of us. Forget about the governments. We need to unite the people and stop dividing. Stop being manipulated by the backfields and the deep state. You need to get away from the rabbit holes. Get into your own mind.
And you know Imran Khan win the election from whole Pakistan, but he is in prison because of Pakistan establishment don't need him.
Yeah, they don't need him. You know why they don't need him? Because they know they're going to take over. Because he's going to be the one up there standing up for your country. So they're going to put him inside while they destroy you. That's the problem with the whole world. You know, they want the ones that are going to destroy the countries in there, and the ones that are going to make it better, they put you in jail these days. Come on, man.
In this hot weather, he like a 50 temperature in Pakistan, and he is in a jail. He's a prince. He's a hero of Pakistan. But Pakistan establishment don't need that guy.